Hi there! In this video, we'll be walking through Laia's features and capabilities in handling task automation via UI integration through the perspective of knowledge management within legal firms. Firstly, Laia's unattended workers are easily configured to interact with multiple applications. And in this scenario, the different user interfaces will be an online legal portal, Windows network folders, and a mainframe, which stores multiple documents on past research materials. All of these systems contain unstructured information that requires ingestion and consolidation to facilitate the admin and knowledge discovery work by legal admins or paralegals. The configuration of UI integration within the mainframe within the automation worker is done purely via GUI-based preset commands by the developer. These workflows can be triggered by events or time schedule, which will be shown later in the video. Once configurations are finalized, Laia's unattended workers will run automatically to crawl content from the mainframe via its terminal. Next, you'll see how the same worker is able to automatically adjust to the new screen resolution and perform scraping with the same level of precision. Next, the unattended worker will automatically pull content from the online legal portal. We'll use the same worker to crawl another legal portal, where the content is the same but the page design has changed. As soon as the worker is unable to identify the expected tag and content within the page, it registers an error internally. And as an out-of-the-box feature of Laia's workers, the worker automatically sends an email to the administrator to notify of this issue. You'll see that the email includes the exact set of source codes where the error is experienced so that the admin will be able to easily narrow down the changes that needs to be made. These features have been designed for quick and effective management of integration to multiple applications via UI, including easy recovery whenever exceptions occur. To further demonstrate the ease of managing workers and tasks from a centralized management module, let me take you through Laia's Automation Commander. Here in the main dashboard, administrators are able to dive into each and every task status, whether they are still pending or running, and whether they were successful or encountered errors. Due to the error that was encountered earlier during crawling, you'll see the error log reflecting this error and its details. Next, you'll see the Automation Commander standard feature in scheduling processes and assigning them to any unattended workers. The Worker tab allows admins to define and monitor the assignment of workers to different licenses, users, and machines. The real-time monitoring feature keeps a video recording of every task to facilitate troubleshooting. Over at the System Management tab, a rich variety of functions can be assigned to different roles created as part of Laia's automation ecosystem. Now that we've had a walkthrough of the configuration and management of Laia's unattended workers, let's take a look at how Laia's automation extends to introduce intelligent automation, enhanced by Laia's cognitive intelligence for a single human agent, such as a legal admin or a paralegal. In this scenario, whenever a case is being worked on by the firm, the admin executive's responsibility would be to receive a stack of case documents, classify, and extract information before filing them into different systems respectively. A theft case would typically include unstructured documents in hard copy, such as police reports, statements from witnesses and the accused, along with forensic and psychiatrist reports. Documents can be stacked onto the scanner, and the legal admin can trigger scanning remotely via the firm's mobile app. This is powered by an attended worker deployed within the scanner's controller that is triggered by the app to begin scanning documents using the right user profile, so that every scan can be tracked by its owner. This provides the opportunity for users to carry out other tasks or take a short coffee break. Once the scanning is complete, the automation worker automatically pushes the documents through Laia's AI-powered modules, such as IDP, in order to ingest the documents and extract key information. Laia has developed extensive capabilities in AI such as ML, NLP, and computer vision, which makes it possible to extract information from unstructured documents, such as reports and statements. Documents processed will also be pushed by Liaise workers to the hub, Liaise default user interface for human agents to validate information or any other tasks where the human agent needs to interact with the automated process. You will see now that all of the documents have been classified into their individual document types, along with their respective data points extracted for the admin to verify. The documents have also been grouped together based on their case number, so that the admin knows that these documents are all related to each other via the same case. Through the intelligence provided by Liaise AI capabilities in understanding unstructured data, Liaise worker is able to deliver meaningful and extensive automation to the human agent. Within the hub, Liaise worker was able to send information of a potentially related case, where the accused has also committed in the past. This uses Liaise recommendation feature in establishing relationships between incoming documents and will be useful in providing additional context to users when researching for this case later on. For example, having the added knowledge that this case belongs to a potential repeat offender. The legal admin will just need to confirm this relationship at the hub before confirming the storage of documents internally. The documents will be stored in their respective repositories, shared network folders, mainframe, or the legal portal, which can be seen on the screen right now. Through Liaise attended workers, this entire process for the human agent, which previously took 20 to 30 minutes, has been reduced to just a few minutes, where the agent is just left to verify the extracted indexes and relationships between these documents. Later on, the firm's paralegal would be tasked to carry out research in preparation for the trial, and he would need to pull out all relevant information from the various systems. Instead of painstakingly accessing each system to pull out the records manually, the paralegal will be able to interact with Liaise chatbot, which is natively integrated to Liaise automation workers, to search for all of the documents concurrently from multiple systems. Here, the paralegal types in a question in typical chat lingo. Due to Liaise NLU capabilities in understanding natural language, the paralegal is able to ask a question to the bot without specifying exact keywords such as the file or folder name. As a feature accessible to the automation worker, Liaise semantic search feature intuitively understands the context of the query, such as understanding DPP Kathy as Kathy Smith under the DPP entity. This allows for Liaise worker to return documents based on the paralegal's query accurately. The relationship built across cases earlier helped in returning related documents, not only within a case, but also from related cases, so that the paralegal gets full context in his research. The paralegal is able to access all of the knowledge that he needs with just a click of his mouse, and now has more time to enhance the quality of his research since Liaise workers have taken over in pushing knowledge to him.